Today I am going from Paris out to the chateau at Chantilly for an overnight stay, and I'm going to be taking an early morning Sunday train from Gare du Nord, and I thought I would bring you along so you can check out this major train hub. This is also going to be probably one of the first things you come to if you take the train in from the airport at Charles de Gaulle, and it is huge, and people will recommend that you stay away from it. I have been through it twice, so I'm not an expert, but I haven't had any trouble here. My first recommendation, if you're coming to it with luggage, get a taxi. It's not worth dragging luggage through the metro system and then up from the metro level all the way up to the train lines, but you will get dropped off right at the front door like this. And you walk right in. I walked right into Hall 1, which is where I needed to be. So let's check out this enormous train station. And because it's a Sunday morning at 7:30, you can see it is not busy at all. But this is the busiest and largest train station in Europe. It's the primary hub that connects France to the UK via the Eurostar, and it is also the main hub to Europe with over 220 million people a year coming through here. So it can be crazy busy. This is really quiet. When I came back the next day on Monday at 4 p.m., I did not film because it was so busy and so crowded I could barely navigate through the crowd with my luggage, let alone my camera. Also, this is a really main place to watch out for pickpockets when it's busy. Obviously, this is not looking too dangerous. But watch out for pickpocketing when it's busy, and also do not accept help from anyone at all who asks you, hey, do you need help? Are you lost? You know, are you trying to find X, Y, or Z? Just don't even talk to them. If you need help, go get an employee or find the tourist information office to get anything you need that's from someone that isn't a scammer. I got here an hour early, which is earlier than you need, but I'm always freaked out about trying to find my way through train stations in Paris, so I had a lot of time. 30 minutes is really probably all you need to get here early. You can see how beautiful this is, though. It's built in the 1860s, and it's just kind of a gorgeous station to check out if you have a minute. 30 minutes is easily enough time because you're going to get here and you can grab a coffee and something to have for a bite to eat right here. There's not a ton of seating, but I did find a place to sit, and I kind of walked around the hall and tried to find the downstairs is where the metro and the RER come in, and that is also where the only bathroom was that I could find. You pay €1 to go in, and here is what the restrooms look like. And then I just burned up some time waiting, but really 30 minutes early is all you need because your boards are going to show your departing train and your track line, and those don't populate with your track lines until I think 10 minutes, possibly 15, but I think it's 10 minutes before your train leaves. So there's nothing to really figure out except, you know, where to go and sit. But these flashing, sorry, they're flashing, but these boards for the departures and arrivals are what you're going to watch starting about 10 minutes before you leave. And I'll show you a trick I learned, and it freaked us out the first time we were here because we were going to, I can't remember where, but say we're going out to like Chantilly. If I'm going out to Chantilly, when we first came here, we were searching the boards for the quote, the train to Chantilly. You're not looking for the train to Chantilly. That is one of the stops along the way of that train. So what you need to know about your train is where does it end? And for the Chantilly train that I was taking today, the end point is Amiens. So I'm looking for the train to Amiens, and you can look at the board here, and the third line down on the bottom level there, you can't see it, but I'll use a fake one here, but you can see the train number, which you can see on your ticket. You can see when it's leaving, you can see where it's going, and on the right you can see that box, and that is going to populate 10 to 15 minutes early with the track number, which will be called a voie, and that is the line number that you're going to look for when you're going to go find your train to get on. And the thing I would recommend here for sure, do not use the train system in France that we have found unless you download the trainline.com app. And I just get my tickets right through that, and then everything is on my phone, everything is in the app, the notifications come right to your phone, and then you can also print out and have a hard copy and a screenshot of your ticket because they will check it along the way, and you will need to have copy of that. And I don't like to trust the internet functioning for me to find my ticket on my phone or on an app. And for seating, I always have just learned to get a second class seat, which means you can more or less sit in any seat in any car that's marked 2, as long as it's not a 1. We've done that and accidentally got in the first class cars, and they will ticket you if you do that. So jump in on second class, and you can just sit down anywhere and enjoy the ride, and you watch for each stop as you come along, and there will be clear signs Make sure that you get out when you get into the station that you're coming into. Like Chantilly, you had to go off the train and then down the stairs and across the tracks and under and back up to get into the station here. But all in all, the trains in France are lovely to use, and Gare du Nord is not horrific. It's super busy and in the busy times of day, but if you can use it in the early morning, it's actually a beautiful station and it felt very safe. If you're coming in on the metro, that's a whole other thing that we did not film, but it can feel crazy big and crazy busy, but there are well-marked signs. Just follow signs, and if you get turned around, find someone that works there to get information from. I do have a whole video about how to use the trains and how to find your seat on a video that you can watch right here. I hope this helped a little bit, seeing this beautiful station when it's not super busy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.